See, we got the brother Shane Mare Kura no te hauke. E te rangatira, kei te pēhea koe, my bay. Mahi tai, without you. E te rangatira, tēnā koe. Whātui āpati ki roto i te whare. Got our brother Nico. Any words of wisdom for the team? Nah,
We're going to slay it up today and get you some fish. Get on that board.
Loving that Tuesday, Chief, loving that Tuesday. And he's the man himself. Howdy do?
If I'm over in a down place, come around my place. Bay top and we out there. Let's get it, baby.
The man top. Man, a few words. But man to his word. He's got a sip.
We've just been here for 5 minutes. We got too funny. And we're out here, Purfume Point, Napier Hawkes Bay. If you want to come and get it, get at it. We out here, definitely it's there. Back and better second time, peace.
Fuck, that's a nice little livey there. Kahawai. Kahungunu Rod Benders. First one going back to the team. Let's go. Team. For sure, for sure. Let's go straight in that smoke over here. Nice trevally. Beautiful trevally. Kahungunu Rod Benders doing it.
Just a fucking little one. Second one for the day.
Beautiful day out here, boys.
Here you go, cuz. What's happening here, Chief?
Just going to get the smoker running and pull out some brown sugar and start prepping their fish.
Nice.
Get our afternoon supper in.
Chief. Smoke fish for Bricky.
Well, we talking the bar. Smoking ready for our fish. Prepping that up.
Yeah, my baby.
Slow that up. Gotta eat healthy, fun. The food's there, just gotta catch them.
Got raw fish, sausages. And up where te ringa wera. Muki fish from Break Josh. The freezer's got raw fish. Some back strips.
Back strips and paua.
Paua.
And Vinnie patties.
Me harora watu. We already do what we do. One of the locals down here trying the food. How's it taste?
Awesome.
What you got? A bit of Vinnie sausage.
Sausage.
And some raw fish from the lads.
Smoky.
Oh, nice, Chief. Eating like a king.
Hey guys, my name's Stephen Farrell. I'm from Napier here. This is a great little spot right here. We're trying to get ourselves a barbecue. Flatten up a little bit of land for some wheelchair access. We've got wheelchair fishermen. This is a great little spot. A little bit of water for the dogs. Just help out the community and the people. Be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
Straight after the Kahungunu Rod Benders. No one else got me out here. Hope Bud shot bubble for the invite.
So here we got the Ngāti Kahungunu Rod Benders setting up their drone line. You can see straight on this rod. Hook 1. Hook 2. It's ready to holla. 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna send that out on the drone. So let's get ready.
Just set up, ready to go. Just waiting for all the satellites to connect up. Cool. And the system to warm up in the drone.
Ngāti Kahungunu Rod Benders, here we go. Ka hoki mai te mea rā, wakarere rangisi, e momo manu tēnei. Oh boy, the money.
Finally, that's our drone rod. Let's have a look, it's leaving some wax.
Kahungunu Rod Benders sending out the second drone.
Rod number 2. Bend that rod, cuz.
Look at that rod bending, mate. Talk to me, brother. How's it?
Tiring, I tell you.
400 metre car. And fella's got a shark on me. That rod is bending. It's not a shark, eh? Doing your thing. Too far back, eh? Shark bender. Bo, just out here, not too far out, I reckon. Fucking teamwork makes the dream work. For the day, whānau. Kahungunu Rod Benders. Kahungunu Rod Benders in the whare. Chief. Here we go. Beautiful afternoon out here waiting for the blue rod to go off. We got 2 drain rods out there. We out here pumping. Come on, my bros, haru moi. Nothing but that.
There you got the moon on that side of the sun.
Out here with the Kahungunu Rod Benders.
Nui, te arawa mā tātua kura hau